Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change currency in TradingView. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to TradingView website. After you are in the website, make sure to log in with your accounts. After you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. From here, you can go to the charts of any stock. For now, I'll select the Apple stock. Click on Super Charts. Now you're in the charts page. In order to change the currency, here in the chart, you can see the currency section at the top right corner. Click on this arrow. From here, you can see the available currencies that you can change to. For example, I'll change my currency to Nepalese rupees. You can change it to your preferred currency. Once you find your preferred currency, click on it to select it. So that's it. That's how you can change currency in your TradingView account. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.